Yes, sir. And get the grill good and warm. Put a little deer meat on it. Fresh Arkansas deer steak right here. Over the open flame. Doesn't take a long time to cook. Get those coals just right. Gonna be a fine meal tonight. Made that first turn. Won't be long now. Don't want to overcook that deer meat. It's almost like deer filet mignon right there.